Hello everyone, welcome back to YJ Scribble Art. This is day 5 of my 30 days eyes scribble art challenge. I'm really happy you're joining me again. Every day we're exploring a new way to draw realistic eyes using only a simple ballpoint pen and the scribble art technique. Today's artwork focuses on creating expressive eyes with bold eyelashes, rich contrast, and natural looking shadows. Along the way, I'll also share some useful scribble art techniques that can help beginners improve faster. Let's get started. Many people think scribble art is simply drawing random lines. In reality, scribble art is about creating order from seemingly chaotic strokes. Every scribble has a purpose. The direction, pressure, and density of your lines create shape, texture, depth, and lighting. Unlike pencil shading, where you blend tones, scribble art builds values using layers of overlapping lines. The darker the area, the more layers of scribbles you add. The lighter the area, the fewer lines you use. This technique is creative because it allows you to sketch freely while still producing realistic results. I always begin with the overall shape of the eyes. Instead of pressing hard, I use very light strokes to map the eyelids, iris, and eyebrow placement. Once the basic structure looks balanced, I slowly start increasing the line density. One important tip is to avoid making dark outlines immediately. Let the drawing develop naturally by building values gradually. This gives the artwork a softer and more realistic appearance. Now comes my favorite part, the shading. Instead of using smooth pencil blending, I create shading by drawing continuous looping lines. I change the direction of my scribbles to follow the shape of the face and eyelids. Where shadows are stronger, I overlap more lines. Where light hits the skin, I leave more white paper visible. This balance between black ink and white paper creates depth and contrast. Remember, don't rush. Adding several light layers always looks better than drawing one heavy dark layer. The eyes are always the main focus of any portrait. I begin by making the pupil the darkest area in the drawing. Next, I carefully build the iris using circular scribble movements. One important trick is to preserve a tiny white highlight inside the eye. That small highlight instantly makes the eye look alive. For the eyelashes, I draw quick curved strokes instead of straight lines. Natural eyelashes grow in different directions, so slight variations make them look much more realistic. The eyebrows are created using short, overlapping scribbles rather than individual hair strands. If you're starting your scribble art journey, here are a few tips. Practice controlling your pen pressure. Avoid trying to make every line perfect. Work slowly and build darker areas little by little. Observe real reference photos carefully before drawing. Most importantly, don't compare your day 1 with someone else's day 100. Every drawing teaches you something new. Consistency is the biggest secret behind improvement. Even drawing for 20 minutes every day will make a noticeable difference over time. And that's today's Day 5 I Scribble Art tutorial. I hope these scribble art techniques help you create more confident and realistic drawings with just a simple ballpoint pen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, comment below with your favorite part, and subscribe to YJ Scribble Art. Don't forget to turn on notifications because tomorrow we'll continue with day 6 of the 30 Days I Scribble Art Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and remember, every scribble brings you one step closer to mastering your art. See you in the next video. Happy drawing!